Jose Saramago, a Nobel Prize recipient for literature, once said, "Perhaps only in a world of the blind will things be what they truly are." Our students of the Muscatee Scholarship Program have just that to say, in words they can best express. These students have undergone training in spoken English, mobile technologies, and the IBPS course, a preparatory coaching for government and banking sector exams. This scholarship program was set up in honor of the late Dr. Badar and Mariam Maskati by their daughter, Dr. Lubiana, who also serves on the advisory board of VisionAid as a volunteer advising the organization in matters related to occupational therapy services, which is her area of specialization. The students enrolled in this program worked hard and put their best foot forward in every class. So let us listen to what the students had to say about what they gained and learned from these training programs.
Hi, I'm Divya. I gained a lot from here. I joined SCP program. Before joined in that course, I was too scared to speak English with others. After joined here, I can able to speak English very easily and confidently also. And I joined mobile technology course. Uh, Before joined in mobile technology course, uh, I couldn't able to operate my mobile without help. After joined here, uh, I can able to operate my mobile very easily and confidently without help. And I joined IBPS course. It was that course also very help me, and it is very useful for me in future.
Morning, one and all. The SCP course gave me the confidence. I'm no longer scared to speak in English. I have learned mobile technology. I consider myself very fortunate to be a Visionary student.
Once joined this course, present I gain competitive knowledge and communication skills. Everything I gain. Present I attend any exam. No fear. I forget fear and I had on fear. Present I am very happy.
My name is Jagadeep. I am from Visakhapatnam. Recently, I joined in Visionate. Visionate Trust helped me in IBBS with the support of Career Care. This training is very helpful to me in attending bank and entrance exams.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె రాజా. నేను సెంట్రల్ యూనివర్సిటీలో తెలుగులో పిహెచ్డి చేసి ఇప్పుడు సివిల్స్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నాను. ముఖ్యంగా ఈ ప్రోగ్రాం ద్వారా నేను నేర్చుకున్నది క్రమశిక్షణ, డిసిప్లైన్ నేర్చుకున్నాను. మా అంతటా మేము క్రమశిక్షణగా క్లాస్కి రోజు అటెండ్ అవుతూ దాదాపు 3.5 hours క్లాస్కి అటెండ్ అయ్యి తర్వాత మేముగా క్రమశిక్షణ నేర్చుకునేట్టుగా చేసినటువంటి ఆ టీంకి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను.
I been improving my English thanks to sub program. I can now form without grammatical mistakes while forming sentences. I feel much more confident while speaking English. This will help me secure good job in the future.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ సార్. నా పేరు మొహమ్మద్ ఇబ్రాహీం. నేను శాతవర్ణ యూనివర్సిటీ నుంచి డిగ్రీ కంప్లీట్ చేశాను. ఐబిఎస్ ట్రైనింగ్ కోచింగ్ తీసుకున్నాను. మరియు నేను ఏం గెయిన్ చేశాను అంటే, నేను డిసిప్లిన్, మేనర్స్, బిహేవియర్ ఇంకా కమ్యూనికేటివ్ స్కిల్స్ ఎట్లా ఉండాలని అది గెయిన్ చేశాను.
నా పేరు శివ. నేను చెప్పబోయేది ఏంటంటే బ్యాంక్ కోచింగ్. నేను విజయనగరం ట్రస్ట్ నుంచి బ్యాంక్ కోచింగ్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఆ కోచింగ్ నాకు ఏ విధంగా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అయిందంటే చాలా బాగా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అయింది. అది ఎలా అంటే మ్యాథ్స్ కావచ్చు, లేకపోతే రీజనింగ్ కావచ్చు.
My name is Nikita. I'm from Hyderabad. Recently, I joined Vision8 organization. In this program, I gained discipline and I improve my skills.
After spending months learning from the Vision8 trainers, we are sure the students have a lot to say about them. So the next question we asked the students was to tell us a few things about the trainers of these programs. And here's what they had to say.
Here teachers are very amazing teachers. They taught us very clearly and concisely.
My heartfelt thanks to all the trainers for their immense patience and dedication. I'm very grateful to you for encouraging these words throughout these courses. Thank you, Ananda. They are not trainers, they are teachers. They teach like a teachers. They teach very well. If I have any doubt, they respond as soon as possible.
I felt more like family than trainers. They helped me understand a topic patiently.
స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏంటంటే బ్లైండ్నెస్ అనేది వాళ్ళకి ఒక డిఫెక్ట్ అయినా సరే వాళ్ళ యొక్క ఎంతూజియాజం, వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా నేర్చుకోవాలనే ఒక ఇంటెన్షన్ అనేది వాళ్ళు నేను చూశాను.
Visually blind but mentally strong.
They are very punctual and they are very dedicated. It made to feel like, wow, amazing.
You people joined this academy to speak English fluently. Now you have learned grammar very well. You learn modern vocabulary, developed yourself a lot here.
Is one of the best badges that I have ever seen as a teacher, and they were really professional, they were really courteous and really kind.
They are very passionate about learning English, and they were one of the most friendliest and helpful and polite batch of students I've ever come across. Every program at Vision8 is designed for a fun learning experience that leads to maximum retention of the content. So we wanted to know what the students liked most about the different training programs they enrolled in.
If I have any work, they send notes in WhatsApp group. Before joining this program, I did not know reasoning attitude. Now I know reasoning attitude and general awareness banking.
With overall development, logic and formulas, with these I can solve lot of question papers. Thanks to Vision8.
In the training program, my favorite part is assignments, weekly tests and grand tests.
Finally, the students have a few words of thanks and messages of encouragement that they would like to share with us all.
Vision8 office platform is very wonderful. This opportunity, this start is very wonderful. This excellent.
Vision8 టీం చాలా అద్భుతంగా పనిచేస్తుంది అని నేను చెప్పాలి. ప్రతిరోజు 45 నిమిషాల ముందు వాళ్ళు లాగిన్ అయ్యి క్లాస్లో మాకు అర్థం కాని డౌట్స్ అన్ని వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేవారు.
గోల్ ఏంటంటే బ్యాంక్ కోచింగ్ తీసుకోవాలనుకున్నాను. ఖచ్చితంగా బ్యాంక్ కోచింగ్ నిజంగా వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చారు. ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులు చెప్పారు, చాలా బాగా అర్థమైందని కూడా చెప్పారు.
Vision Ad is very fantastic organization through which us many causes are organized for the visually impaired. CC such as a CCA cause and English speaking cause, etc. I wish to see online and offline courses in the future.
Finally, I will thanks to you, visionaries, all staffs, and my goal is best bank employee. Definitely, I get in because I already taking course how to reasoning and mathematics strategy.
VisionAid is the organization for visually impaired people. In this organization, we teach different courses like spoken English, mobile technology, and IBPS, etc.
I never expect at all I would get this wonderful opportunity in my life, but I got this opportunity. This is my first turning point of my life, and this is very good platform to learn, and those people want to join here. You will learn more than you want to learn from this platform.